Hi, at this stage I presume that you have watched the earlier videos and have your MT4 already set up in your computer. Let's go into something more exciting, that is about the key parameters of the ATM and the details of the strategies. Now, very important, a lot of traders trade based on an accurate point of entries. Now for scoreboard ATM concept, it is not about a holy grail point of entries. Frankly, for such point of entries, you can use it during your manual trade, where we call it the discretionary speculative decision. Otherwise, scoreboard ATM is based on a combined concepts of various rules like consistent entries, price behavior, dynamic exits, loss minimizing, and many others that I will cover slowly one by one later. Now let's look at how a commonly used trading strategies that is looking for a perfect point of entry. It can be from technical analysis, it can be from some indicators, tips, chart patterns, candlestick patterns, or anything. Now once you filter all these indicators and make a decision to place an entry, basically you have two fate. It's either right or wrong. So a very good point of entry should give you more than 70% of accuracy or less than 30% of error. And of course, after placing the entry, you hope to achieve this type of results consistently. Now once an order is being taken, you will have your discretionary profit-taking decision if you are right, and if you are wrong, you will have to rely on the most reliable strategy, that is cutting a loss by having a stop loss order placed. What is the challenge of such strategy? Let's be very frank. First of all, can your point of entry be so accurate all the time and be very consistent, more than 70% correct all the time? If you can, are you always there to catch this point of entry? So these are all the basic challenges of such strategy. Let's compare with our scoreboard ATM strategy, the comprehensive rules. Now it can be various easy to understand indicators as signal for entry, and this is where you can personalize the settings. Once you enter, similarly there are two fates to your trade. It's either you are right or you are wrong. Let's say if you are right, the profit taking can base on a static profit taking strategy or dynamic profit taking strategy, which definitely I will explain in further detail later. But if you are wrong, instead of the normal loss cutting strategy, we focus on loss protection and minimizing or zeroizing the losses. How to generate consistent profits through our scoreboard ATM? First of all, on one side, apart from having an effective point of entry, we need to have a set of very comprehensive rules. On the left hand side, you can see it's all rules about money, risk, and reward. Basically, they are lot sizing, profit taking rules, loss minimizing rules, money management, and risk control rules. And on the right hand side, there are rules about technicalities. How sensitive is your indicator? What kind of volatility reading that you prefer? How would you avoid an order clustering? How to spot irregularity on the price behavior? And of course, how to qualify your order before an entry is being activated. Now just imagine that this whole set of comprehensive rules are being programmed into our ATM. Then you trade this ATM with a live price action, and you start to see how it can represent you to trade the market, having all these strict rules and disciplines with it. Now this two table that I'm showing you here are some key factors of the parameter. which I will in subsequent videos explain in detail each and every one of them. The key factors are lot size. What is the impact is about profitability versus sustainability. The other factor, take profit target based on static or dynamic. And we have strategies, we call it average strategies, that neutralizes your loss. Average level, how effective you want this strategy to work. Hedge management, stop loss, and margin control. And this table lists down the secondary factors of our parameter, the indicator setting, and some of the other terminologies that will be explained in further detail in subsequent videos. Thank you for watching the video. I'm sure you know that the biggest challenge for Forex traders is to overcome your greed and fear factor. Here at Scoreboard, we design ATM programs that overcome your emotional problems. And to find out more, please visit our webpage at scoreboard.com.sg. Thank you.